Hey guys, in today's video we're going to cover off how to calculate your macros, how many grams of protein, carbs and fat you need, and how to make it really simple. And at the end of this video I'm going to give you a quick summary on everything in a quick take home so you can jot this down on a piece of paper and work out your macros exactly. Now if you're new here, my name is Shannon from Shannon Billows Fitness and I'm here to make weight loss simple and sustainable. So if you like these kind of videos, consider subscribing for future ones just like this. Let's get into the video. The first pillar to this is you do need to know how many calories you are aiming for depending on your goal. So if you haven't watched my video on how to calculate your calories, you can click up above and that will take you through to watch that video first. All macronutrients do have calories. It's going to be 4 calories for 1 gram of protein. For your carbohydrates, it's going to be the same, 4 calories per 1 gram of carbohydrates. For your fat, it's going to be 9 calories for 1 gram of fat. And then you also have alcohol, which is about 7 calories per gram, but we're not going to worry about alcohol today. So with your protein intake, what you want to be aiming for is anywhere between 1.6 to 1.8 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. Now, not only is protein important for building muscle, it also helps with your immune functioning, it helps keep you full, and it's usually going to be some sort of animal product like fish, beef, pork, milk. Now, animals are going to have a complete amino acid profile, meaning that you're going to get all the amino acids that your body needs to build muscle, create its immune cells, and function and live healthily. For most women, this is generally going to be in the range of 90 to 120 grams per day. And then for most men, it's going to be in the ranges of around 120 to 160 grams per day. Now, you want to try and spread your protein intake over at least 2 to 5 meals per day. However, the most important factor is always to make sure that you get enough total protein by the end of 24 hours. The next macronutrient is going to be fat, and we simply want to aim for 1 gram per kilogram of body weight per day. Now, you can go as low as 0.7 grams per kilogram of body weight per day, and you can go up to as high as 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. Now, with the calories you have left, you would simply just fill that with carbohydrates. Now, carbohydrates aren't essential to the human body because your body can convert ketones into glucose if needed. And we know this is factual because people do the keto diet or follow a keto program and they function perfectly fine after going through an adaptation phase. So the approach that we take with this is we want your protein to be your priority, fat intake is the second priority, and then third is simply filling the rest of your foods with carbs. Now, your fat and your carbohydrates don't need to be exact. They can fluctuate and vary from day to day, which is perfectly fine. The most important thing is always going to be your weekly calorie average as well as your total protein intake by the end of the day. Now, a very quick take home is you want to aim for 1.8 grams per kilogram of body weight per day for your protein intake. You want to aim for 1 gram per kilogram of body weight per day for your fat intake, and then the remaining calories you would simply fill with carbohydrates and whatever is left over. Now, I want to be as helpful as possible and I want to make more videos like this for you. What are you struggling with and what would you like to learn more about? Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a like. There's going to be 2 more videos up on the screen, so make sure you click on the one that is best for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.